Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about today's video. I'm going to show you how to find clip art, fonts, graphic designs, mockups, and much more the correct way using Creative Market. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So don't forget to go ahead and subscribe today. So the reason why I wanted to do this video is because this is a trending topic on my Facebook group, as well as my Instagram, as well as my freelance clients. And this is one of the questions I always get, like when you create a listing from Etsy, how do you do mockups? Or when you want to create something to sell on Etsy, do I just Google graphic design and use the ones that I find online? So the first thing that you do not want to do is Google anything and use those items. Those items are copyrighted, so therefore if you start using them for whether it's personal or business, you could get sued. So make sure that you stop if you're doing this at the current moment. Do not Google anything and use it. What you want to do is you want to use platforms like Creative Market that allows you to buy a license to go ahead and use it for personal or for business. So just keep that in mind. You want to use platform like Creative Market. Now, Creative Market is my favorite platform. I will leave the link below that you could use. It does have an affiliate link from my end, so just keep that in mind. When you join Creative Market, it's free to join. You don't have to pay anything, and you could buy individual packages, or you could do these bundle packages. When you do the bundle packages, you do save up more money because you're buying $100 worth of items, but you get $10 bonus. Or if you buy 200, you get 22, and then 500, you get $60 bonus. So just keep that in mind that if you do plan to stock up on a lot of items, these are the most popular ways to go about it. Now, what you could also do is sign up for their freebies. Now, every time that I believe it's every Monday, they send out an email with free stuff that you could download. So keep that in mind that these are free goods that you could download. You could also come up here and it will show you what's available at the current moment. A lot of times they have social media templates, they have clip arts, they have also fonts. So these are the free ones that are available to download currently. So that's a nice thing about them, that every time you get free stuff. So just keep that in mind. Now, with Creative Market, it's very simple to use Creative Market to start creating beautiful printables that you could sell on Etsy. So let's say I wanted to find white flowers. So I could type in white flowers, and this is going to pull up all these beautiful flowers that I could use for my own designs. So this set right here is one that I currently have. And these are watercolor white flowers. Now keep in mind, whenever you are about to buy something, there are certain things that you have to look at, or certain criteria that you should be looking for. One is understanding exactly what you're buying. What did you get included? This is a bundle that comes with 61 graphic images. So these are a bundle of beautiful white flowers. These are all the things that you get with it. You could click on the photo and it will reveal more of the items that you get. This is a beautiful set that I currently have. And it will tell you what exactly you get. So you get high quality photos. And these images or these clip arts you could use for pretty much anything. You could put it on a poster and create printables on Etsy. You could put it in a top bag if you want. You could put it in a mug. It just pretty much depends on what you're looking to buy and what type of products you sell on Etsy. So keep in mind, what are you exactly getting? The second thing you want to look at is what type of file is it. So this is a PNG file, which basically means that you're going to get the flowers and the flower is going to have a transparent background. And that usually works really, really well, because that means you could put it on top of any color, any texture, and it's going to work really, really well when creating beautiful designs. Now, another thing you want to keep in mind is, what is it compatible with? So this particular design is compatible with Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and also Photoshop elements. So if I wanted to use this on my Photoshop, I could use it as well. It's also compatible because it's a PNG file. It's also compatible with Canva.com, which is an easier tool to use compared to Photoshop. So this will be a really great buy. Now, the additional thing you want to do is kind of read the most frequently asked questions. And lastly is reading the license. It's very important that you understand what exactly you're buying. You could buy it for personal, which means that you're not going to sell it. This is something that you're buying the flowers to create personal items for yourself. You could do the commercial or the extended. Usually, the difference between commercial and extended is that commercial limits you to up to 500 sales versus commercial lets you extended commercial lets you sell it even more. Now, every seller has a different meaning of it. So what you have to do is make sure that you see what this seller is. So this seller lets you sell up to 5,000 and so sales when it's commercial, but up to 250,000 sales when it's extended commercial. So just keep that in mind. It's very, very important that you read what you're buying so that way you're complying and you're paying for these beautiful artwork. These are people, this is how they make a living by selling their beautiful artwork that you could start making a living off as well. So in order for you to buy it, make sure that you always make sure that you read it and you're fair with the buyer. If for whatever reason, with the seller, if for whatever reason you don't understand the license or it's a bit confusing, which can happen because it happens to me all the time, I recommend reaching out to that particular seller and asking them whatever questions you have. What can I use this beautiful clip art for? What are my limitations? I don't understand X, Y, and Z. And they'll be able to go ahead and explain it to you. They usually take within a day or even less than that because they want the sale plus they want to work with you. So just keep that in mind. But normally this is where I go to find any type of clip art. Also, you could do mock-ups. So if you created something and you need a mock-up, let's put in frame mock-ups, right? Let's say you created it as like a printable that you're gonna sell on Etsy. When you go to Creative Market, you could find individual frames or you could do bundles. I personally prefer the bundles because you get so much more for your money. So for instance, this bundle package, you get 20 frames for $29. So essentially you're paying about $1 and change for each one, which is not bad at all. This one you're getting 375 mock-ups for only $29. As you could see, you could click on it as well and it's going to show you what exactly you're getting. So these are all the different mock-ups that you're getting. You could click on it to kind of see how they look. So you will put your pictures up here. This one is like a little bit of everything. It has a house, the living room, the kids' room, etc., the kitchen. So these are beautiful. You can use this to illustrate your product and to increase your sales. You want to make sure that when you are selling on any type of e-commerce platform, your photos look amazing, they're clear, and people are intrigued by what you're selling and they click to buy from you. So using mockup is a great way to showcase whatever you're selling. And as you can see, they have tons and tons of mockups. You could buy wedding mockups. So if you have a store that you sell wedding items, you could come in here and you could buy this bundle. This is another one that I own. As you can see, it says, thank you for your purchase. And this one is a beautiful package. It has for table numbers, it has for invites. And this is how beautiful it makes your stuff look. It has for sitting chart and it's very simple to use. And once again, you have to keep in mind what type of file do I need. So this one they sell JPEG file, PDF, and Photoshop. So if you're okay with using PDF, then this will work for you. If you're okay with using JPEG format, this will also work for you. I personally use Photoshop for this one, and it's just beautiful. As you can see, it's just beautiful work. This seller, Lena, has outdone herself with this beautiful, beautiful wedding mockups. So you get 20 of them for a low price, which is not bad at all. So just keep looking through here and see something that resonates with you, that goes with your branding, it goes with your Etsy shop, and it's going to really help you scale your business to the next level. Once you have the clip art, or once you have the fonts or whatever you want to use, and you have read the licensing and you know what type of format that particular item comes in, then you go ahead and purchase it, and you'll be able to download it instantly. And this is how simple it is. This is why I wanted you guys to stay all the way to the end. This is how simple it is to create, let's say, a wedding sign. So you could say, "Welcome to our wedding," right? Let's say this is just a sign that you want to create, like an entrance sign. And this is using Canva.com, the paid version. You could do the free or paid. I prefer the paid because I could do so much more with it. Plus, I think it's worth for me using it because I do use it for my business. So, and these are my uploads here. So these are some of the stuff that I downloaded. This is clip art that I bought from Creative Market, and all I do is upload it to Creative Market, and I could just click and drag, and then I could put this a little bit more down. So I'm going to change the letters to, let's do pinkish. Yeah, I like this pink. No, I like this one better, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this one down here. But I'm going to, let's see, flip it over. And I'm going to put it down here. So this is how simple it is to create a product that I could easily sell and make passive income on Etsy. So as you can see, it didn't take me that long to create this. And you could play with it. Obviously, you could change the font if you want something a little bit fancier, if you want something cursive, if you want to change the background color. It's really up to you. But as you can see, it's very simple to use, and I just did a sign within a few minutes. So I wanted to show you guys the possibility of what you could do with Etsy or any other e-commerce platform that you could sell digital prints on, or if you want to add these beautiful clip arts to a top bag, if you want to add it to a mug or other things that you could sell on Etsy. But just keep in mind that the best bet is to go through Creative Market. They have an amazing range of different things that you could find. So make sure that you go to Creative Market, you play with it, you start looking around, and it's going to really help you take your business to the next level, especially if right now you're using the same clip art and you want to add a different, let's say different flowers, if you want to do different listings, similar listings but with different colors of flowers, etc. And that will help you also increase your inventory. So just keep that in mind. It's a really great website. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I have attached this other two videos right here that are going to really help you in more depth on how to create printables and how to make passive income on Etsy. So don't forget to watch them, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.